just pure lighting, what changes will happen to lighting. In a dark night, the bright lights always attract people to stay, and the Huizhong Bridge in Taichung has this unique charm. The bridge attracts people not just for its lighting design, but also its voice interaction function. Because of this special function, the bridge is also called Echo Lighting Bridge. The Huizhong Bridge is located in the intersection of Huizhong Road and Section 3 of Taiwan Avenue. At the beginning, it was an ordinary pedestrian bridge. In the 2020 Taiwan Lantern Festival, with the cooperation of the designer's creation and PBM partner, Suzhou StrongLED Lighting Company, a romantic attraction exclusive to Taichung was created, and successfully transferred into a fantastic bridge connecting people, light, and the city. The design team built a house light frame on the bridge and used the light luminaires CB5E series of the PBM partner, StrongLED Lighting, to decorate the structure. Moreover, they used the StrongLED Lighting Company's control systems, RTPS 1500 and DNX-S8, to drive the outdoor microphones, which were installed at both ends of the bridge. The interactive design allows the public to change the lighting through sound control methods, thereby increasing the enjoyment of the bridge. To ensure a stable power supply, the StrongLED Lighting Company uses Mingwell's LED driver, HLG240 series. This series is in CC mode, adopts CB output, and complies with IP67 and 65 protection label. In addition, it has a long service life with a 7-year warranty. Taichung has a strong artistic atmosphere, and new things happen every day. I look forward to your arrival in Taichung and feel the charm of the art capital together. For more information about StrongLED lighting luminaires and Mingwell's switching power supplies, please refer to the Powered by Mingwell official website.